the first thing that you want to do is get the best lawyer you can find in Marin County, someone who does just DUI defense, who's experienced, who's aggressive, and who has the respect of the lawyers in the community and the district attorney's office, who they will be, dealing with, negotiating with, and potentially trying the case against them. A plea deal is something where if we can't get the case dismissed by the DA's office, and these cases of DUIs are difficult to get dismissed. Sometimes we can get them dismissed. One of our best defenses is a no driving defense. Those are the ones that are most likely to get dismissed or being actually under the legal level. But other than that, most cases do get negotiated, and the typical plea in a DUI case in Marin County is either to a standard first DUI. Sometimes there's some enhancements with that, or to a wet reckless. And a wet reckless is typically a level below a DUI. It's still priorable as a DUI, but you can, get better terms on a probation instead of a 3-year probation for a regular DUI, for a standard first DUI. On a wet reckless, we're talking about a 1-year probation, and also less fines. There's also something called a dry reckless. That's something that we do not typically see in Marin County. They don't like to give them out. The DA's office would rather go to trial than give someone a dry reckless. And that's because this is all about, for them, their statistics. Obviously, they're concerned about the safety to the community. But I can tell you, just based on some recent negotiations I've had and some offers I've received with the Marin County District Attorney's Office, I've presented cases where, I think the scientific evidence shows reasonable doubt. And it's a case where I think the DA should have, if not dismissed it, at least offered me and my client a dry reckless. And yet, you know what? Their position is don't do it. They'll offer a wet reckless. So in that case, it's either my client has a choice of taking a wet reckless or going to a jury trial. Always a client's choice. And we negotiate DUI charges all the time in Marin County, trying to get the best result possible for our clients.